Let us start by importing all the projects that we will need for this chapter that you will need to follow along. So I'm going to remove the 5 projects that I have here. We're going to use the scan function in the project manager to import all of the godot projects. So click the scan button, and then you want to navigate to the folder that contains all of the files for this chapter. Scan is going to look at all the subfolders, all the folder tree, and import all the godot projects it can find. So once you navigated to this folder, you can click to select current folder, and Godot will import all 5 projects. The final project for this chapter that contains the final code for this tutorial series is character controller-state. Then you have 3 checkpoint projects that you can use to either skip some videos, but you can also follow along the entire series from the start project. Note that there's the components project provided on top of that, which is an alternate implementation to the state one, and we're not going to see how this one works in details. You'll have to study the code by yourself. You will just get a code overview of this one. But you can follow along almost step by step from the start project here. And if you want to skip a few videos, or if you want to keep following the videos but you have some trouble with your code and the step-by-step follow along, you can jump straight to the player movement or after the NPC movement before we implement the jump code. But first, we're going to start with character controller 0 start to set up our character. So note I'm using Godot 3.1 here. When you do that, Godot is going to ask you to convert the project because it's designed to work in Godot 3.0, the initial release that this course was working or designed for. You can click OK, and the project should work no problem in Godot 3.1.